Hi students. So very important basic today I am going to teach you. So which is very important to the Navodaya, Sainiks and as well as academic basics for the students, right? These are very important. So see once even number, very easy definition, maybe you know, but even though once I am going to remember you and very important. What is even number? A number which is divisible by 2. What is that? 2. Okay, is called even numbers. So for example, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. etc. Okay, so if you want to write the day also not sufficient, even 1 year also not sufficient, continue it will come. So there is infinity even numbers will get it. Okay, so the smallest, very important bit here, the smallest even number, smallest even number. Even number. What is the smallest even number? Okay, so which is the starting even number, and that is called as what? Smallest even number. Are you got it? Right. See what? So answer is 2. Okay. So next definition is odd number. What is odd number here? See what? A number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. So for example, so we'll write some examples here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. etc. There is no end here also. So what is the smallest odd number here? The smallest odd number should be smallest odd number. What is that? Smallest odd number. What is that? Very easy. So on the board only, starting odd number is known as the smallest odd number. What was that? That is 1. Okay. Next, here I gave some important mark also. See there. Okay. IMP. Prime numbers, very important. Many competitive examinations, they will ask about prime numbers. Okay, very important. Okay, the smallest even prime number, very important bit. Okay, so first we will learn what is a prime number. I written in the red mark, very danger. Okay, right. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. It is, you have to underline, this is the main part. 1 and itself is called prime numbers. So which numbers will come 1 and itself? The simple definition is those which numbers will not come in the table. Simple. Okay. So see once, for example, 2 will come in 1 table and as well as 2 table. 1 and itself. Next, 3 also, it will come 1 table and 3 table. If you take 4 will come 1 table also, 2 table also and 4 table itself also. I mean 1 and itself, other than we have 2 is also factor here. So these type of numbers are not prime. So which are the prime? Which number will divisible by 1 and itself? Those are called prime numbers. So example what? Example I will write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on, etc. So very important bit here, what he will ask. Up to 100, how many prime numbers will be? Up to 100, 25 prime numbers will be. How many? 25. Okay, next up to 50, how many prime numbers will be? So 15 prime numbers will be there. Okay, next Okay, 50 to 100, how many prime numbers? 50 to 100. Okay, so he will ask 50 to 100, total 25. Up to 50, 15. Means 50 to 100, how many will be? 10. How many will be? 10. So, if you want, I will write here, note. Up to 100 prime numbers. Up to 50 prime numbers. 50 to 100 prime numbers. I am writing beside. So see once. Up to 100, how many prime numbers I told you? 25. Up to 50, 15. Okay. Next 50 to 100 become 10. Okay, very important. And smallest, very important bit, the smallest even prime number. Okay, smallest even, only not smallest, no need to mention the smallest, directly note down even prime number. What is the even prime number? So even prime number, star mark bit, even prime number. What is the even prime number? Only one and only one number there, and that is 2. Starting number 2. So only the one even number, it is a prime number, and that is 2 only. So other are not even numbers, are prime. So answer is 2. Okay. So this is about prime numbers. Okay. Next, continue. Next, twin primes. Prime after what? Twin primes. So twin primes, the definition, the difference between any two prime numbers is 2. Okay, is called twin primes. So means any two primes you take out, so those difference must be 2. Then only we can call that, okay, twin primes. For example, say once 3 and 5. 5 minus 3, how much difference? 2. So 5, 7. 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5, how much? 2. The same similarly, every two prime number which I written on the board, those differences 2 only. And this is are called twin primes. Up to 100 twin primes are, how many will be? 8 pairs will be. How many? 8. 8 pairs of twin primes. Okay? 8 pairs of twin primes. Okay?